All right, so today we are going to be working on our front flower bed here behind me. And let me turn you around and show you what we've got going on currently. So as you can see, this is what we are working with. We're going to be building a narrow raised bed that will go from the stairs just the length of the foundation. And then in front of that, we're going to have lay down cardboard boxes. And then we've got a pile of bark over there that is left over from us splitting wood. We're just going to break that up and then we're going to place that over the bark. So pretty simple project as far as in my head. A little time consuming, but it's going to help beautify and make me happy. So I got our boards cut that we'll need to make a grow box. Also, what else I have done, I've just scraped this side down some, pile it over there so that this is lower to be able to add on the wood chips and it not spill over the cement. So that's all that we've gotten done so far with that. And so now I'm just going to stain the wood just to help preserve it a little bit longer, treat it, I guess. I'm going to use this dark walnut. It's just what we have an abundance of. I got another can on top of these two that just need to be used up. So that's what we're going to be using. And just going to start staining. Got it in.
Not as big as there.
Gotta do a little bit of leveling before final placement. All right, it is the next morning. Still there. So far, the only thing that Cooper and I have done is help. Well, he helped me. We just leveled the ground out a bit more and then got the box leveled as much as we could. I mean, the wood itself is a little warped, so you know, it is what it is. So now we are going to take these boxes and lay them out, and that will be our weed barrier. And then we've got to continue to break up the bark. It's, you know, it's a timely process, but it's a free product, and who doesn't like free? Just create, you know, it's a little bit more work, but it's fine. And then we will get soil put in and we'll get planting. So we just gotta get some boxes laid down. So if you can see a little better, a bit leveled out. So let's just get boxes put in. What's the matter, my beautiful girl? Oh, what's the matter? Alright, we got the cardboard laid out, cut the shape, layered the best we can. And now I just need to take that wheelbarrow of dirt, evenly distribute, and then we gotta go and get some soil.
So hey guys, well welcome to Flower Homestead. Right now we're like doing some soil on our bed. So we just got this from Home Depot, and I'm just helping Mom. I'm doing the photograph, doing stuff. See, I know how you see it.
But don't step in the water.
See guys?
So we're doing a mixture of this steer manure blend. And then I also got some topsoil as well to go on top. And now we got our topsoil that we're going to put on. I just grabbed the cheapest bags. The manure is like 2 something, and then this is 3 something a bag. All right, that's what we've gotten so far. Just trying to get the spacing even before we plant them. All planted. And just in case you're wondering how we're breaking the wood chips down, I mean bark, it's a good old hammer and whacking it. Just getting it broken up into smaller pieces is all. Separate the wood because I don't want that. Or very little wood pieces. I'm gonna take a dustpan, scoop it up. Alrighty, so got it done and I'm very, very happy. Isn't she pretty? This bush is probably not going to stay there. I just need to stick it in the ground. I'll get it into a pot. But on the ends here, I want to plant some hostas. Because this is a north-facing side, so lots of shade. It does get like 6 hours minimum through the morning and late afternoon, evening hours. So it does get sun, but it looks good. And in between the delphiniums, I have chrysanthemums planted throughout. I saved them from the dumpsters after Memorial, them being tossed. So I just went and got them out of the dumpster. I split them up and then I'm going to deadhead them and then they'll come back in the fall. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoy it and I'm happy. So leave a comment of maybe what was your favorite part or something you would do different. I'd love to know and we'll see you next time.